How to verify your Discord account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Tech. In today's video, I'll show you how you can verify your Discord account. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to verify your Discord account, all you have to do is first open up your web browser and then you want to go to discord.com and log into your account by clicking on the open Discord in your browser section. Now you can do this from the app as well if you really wanted to. Once you log into Discord, you'll basically see this kind of interface over here. And if you look at the bottom left, you'll find your Discord username and then this gear icon that says user settings. You just want to click on the option called user settings, and once you click on the user settings, over here you'll be taken to the my account page. And if you would like to verify your Discord account, you must actually verify it with either your email address or your phone number. So what you want to do is, if you've not verified the email address, you can just click on the verify button and it will actually ask you to verify your email address. So in this case, it will send an email to your Discord account's emails. So just go ahead and open your Hotmail or Gmail, Outlook, or any of the mailing services that are attached to your Discord account. And once you've done that, you'll have successfully verified your Discord account. Or you could simply verify with your phone number as well by tapping on the add button, entering the phone number of your country, and after you enter the phone number over here, you'll be able to successfully receive an OTP code and then verify your account in that way. And that's all it takes to verify your Discord account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.